Do you want to skyrocket your TikTok ads performance and boost sales? In this video, I will dive into how you can create lookalike audience on TikTok ads. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, stick around till the end as I will be sharing with you insider tips and strategies. Let's get started.
To create lookalike audience, the first thing you need to do is to navigate to tools. From tools, move to audience manager. Select audience manager here. Then you see, from audience manager, you see all the audience you've created in the past. If you have created any audience in the past, you see all the audience. Can you see all the custom audience I've created in this account? This is a fresh account. That's why you are seeing audience too small, unavailable, and the likes. If you've created custom audience that has data, you are going to see everything here. So from tools, you go to audience manager, then it will bring you here. So how can you create powerful lookalike audience? The first thing you need to do is to come to create audience. So under create audience, you see custom audience, lookalike audience. We are leveraging on lookalike audience. So you select lookalike audience. Then this page will pop up. So let me move myself up a bit, right? So this page will pop up. So this is where you can create lookalike audience. So I'll be showing you how you can create lookalike audience now. So you come to this place, you see source. You see source. So it's telling you to select your source. If you have custom audience, because if you want to create lookalike audience, you build lookalike audience over custom audience. Because lookalike audience means you are telling TikTok to look for the lookalike of your customers or lookalike of people that have interacted with your business. That is the instruction you are giving TikTok. So TikTok will go and look for the lookalike of those custom audience you've created. So if you want to create lookalike audience, you build lookalike audience on custom audience. So for you to create lookalike audience, you need to first create custom audience of people that have interacted with your business, either by buying or watching your videos or interacting with anything that is pertaining to your business. So the first thing you need to do is to come to, if you have custom audience on your account before, you can select your sources here. But we don't have, this is a fresh account, I don't have a custom audience that is populated. So the first thing I need to do is to come to create custom audience. So there are different custom audience you can create. Like I said, there are different ways that people can interact with your business. It's either you have a database of, you can create custom audience of using customer file. That is, people that have interacted with your business. You have a database of people that have made purchase. You have database of their purchase value, their name, their address. That is what you can use to create customer list, custom audience. We have engagement. You can create custom audience based on engagement. Create a list of people who saw, click, or engage with your content. If you are running ads to website, you want people to buy directly from your website, you can say use TikTok pixel to create a list of people who visited or took specific actions on your website. So let's say so if you have shop, we know if you are an e-commerce business, you can create TikTok shop on your TikTok account, on your TikTok business account. So you come to shop activities, build an audience from people who took certain action in your TikTok shop. You can create custom audience on this and build lookalike audience on top of it. Once you build lookalike audience on top of it, you can use it to run campaign to remarket and tell TikTok to look for people who have taken this, who are likely to take this specific action on your on your TikTok shop. That's how it works. So let's start with website traffic. So let's say use TikTok pixel to create a list of people. So let's say we want to create custom audience first. So we come to this day, we see people who carry out the following actions. So let's say we are coming to this place. So we want to retarget we want to create custom audience of people that have added product to carts. We want to look after them. They've added product to cart and maybe they've placed an order, right? So we want to create custom audience of these people. through the following pixel, you select your pixel here. So once you select your pixel, you don't need to define this URL contents. This is happening on your website. This is based on the data that your TikTok pixel has. So you come to this place and you say, you give your audience this parameter. It is option. I will not encourage you to define a rule. So you can say in the last 30 days, and if you have data in the last 60 days, in the last 90 days, you can come to last 90 days. You can come to last 60 days. So let's leave it this way. Then we'll come down. I'll come down and give my, let's say, place order, custom audience. Custom audience. So that's what I'll do. Then I'll say 90 days. You just need to give it a naming convention that you'll be able to understand. So the next thing you do is to increase total match. You can turn on audience enhancement, increase total match audience size by adding more users identified by our machine learning model. I click this and I also click this. Can you see auto refresh? Refresh your audience automatically to view the latest data. So what I'll do next is to come to this place and click on confirm to create my audience. So once I create my audience now, I can come to this place now, click on LookAlike, then select, then you select this custom audience that you've created here. You select the custom audience you've created here. So since I think it's because this account is a fresh account, so you come to this place now and click on LookAlike audience. You select the audience you've created. Like you've seen the way I created the custom audience. Now you select your custom audience. Then you click on, you come to content source. You click on contain. So then system. So if you want to segment by, if you want to create, maybe you want to know purchase behavior of people on different devices, then you can decide to create your lookalike audiences separately. You can decide to create your lookalike audiences separately. So you can say you want to know Android users and you want to know iOS users, so that you know the people that are where you are getting your purchase from when you start looking at data. So for this, I'll go with all, but I'm just saying that you can decide to test different devices against each other. You create custom audience of people. After you've created custom audience of people that have placed order and added product to cart in the last 90 days, you are now building a lookalike audience on top of it. Select your lookalike audience. I don't know why this is not coming up. Let me type place order. I don't know why it's not coming up. So you select, can you see it here? We can see place order custom audience 90 days. Select the place order custom audience 90 days and click on contain. Then system, you can decide to test Android users. You are telling TikTok to look for people, the lookalike of people that have added product to cart or completed purchase on Android in the last 90 days. TikTok system will go and look for all those people for you. So once you do that, or you can also test iOS, test it against each other. So then you come to placement, select TikTok. So once you come to placement, you select TikTok. So what I will do next is come to location. Wherever location you are running your business, whichever location you are running your business, you just need to put in your location here. So let's say we are working with United Kingdom or United States. So let's say we are working with United States then. So then audience size, narrow. Can you see, if you come to narrow now, this method can accurately identify target audience, but the numbers of users will be relatively small. If you come to balance now, if you come to broad, this method can cover the largest number of users, but the identification of the audience is relatively less accurate. Can you see this? So for me, I do go with balance. I'll come with balance. Then I'll say lookalike audience, web place order, 90 days. Just give your audience naming convention that you can understand. Can you see what I felt? The first thing I did was to create custom audience. If you are looking for a comprehensive video on how you can create different type of custom audience on TikTok ads, I'll be linking the video up here. Just check it out, and it will guide you on how you can create different custom audience. So the first thing is for you to create a custom audience, then you create a lookalike audience on top of that custom audience. So the next thing I'll do is to just click on confirm. So you click on confirm. It's because I'm not seeing my sources here after I've created it. So once you are able to select your source here, then you click on confirm. But I believe you've been able to get the idea of what I'm trying to show you on how you can create different lookalike audiences. It is advisable for you to test different lookalike audiences against each other.
And that's it. I believe you've been able to gain value in this video. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.